Meaning of integrity.
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 Integrity. Integrity generally refers to the quality of being honest, trustworthy, and having strong moral principles. It involves consistently adhering to a set of ethical values and behaving in an upright and principled manner, even when it may be difficult or inconvenient to do so. People with a strong sense of integrity are generally regarded as reliable, dependable, and honorable individuals who are committed to doing the right thing, and who strive to act consistently with their values and beliefs. In summary, integrity is a fundamental moral principle that underlies many aspects of human behavior and plays an important role in building trust and respect in personal and professional relationships.